Hello, this is a video about red blood cells. We're going to talk about what their function is and how the cells are adapted to the function to do their job. So the first thing is, let's talk about their function. The role of red blood cells is to transport oxygen around your body, to take it from your lungs to all the cells of your body where oxygen is needed. Now, how are they adapted to that function? Well, a few things. First of all, their shape is very important. They're a circular cell like this, but if you look at them in cross-section like this, they kind of look like a squashed donut. That shape is called a biconcave disc. That means it's got an indentation above and below. The other aspect of its shape is that it's very small, and the roundness of it means it can pass through small gaps quite easily. Other adaptations of the cell, well, they have no nucleus, which is pretty unusual for cells in your body, but this allows them to be smaller because it's not using space, and they contain hemoglobin. Now, hemoglobin is a compound of iron which bonds with oxygen, but it makes a kind of a weak bond. That means it can pick up oxygen in your lungs, but can have oxygen taken away quite easily at the cells. So those are the adaptations of the red blood cell for their function. I hope that was useful. Thanks for watching.